Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another haul for you guys. So as you guys can see here, I am showing you guys some great brushes that are affordable. It comes with a set of 15, also with 34 pots of glitter. It's just an awesome bundle. So here I'm just showing you the variety of little nail art brushes that are just so essential when you do nails. By the way guys, I did forget to mention everything is from Amazon except for a couple polishes that are from Walmart, but other than that everything is from Amazon. Here are the 34 pots of glitter that it includes. It includes different glitter sequences and they are just so cute and you can create so much with it. Here are some holographic butterflies, and to me you can never have enough butterflies. It's like a statement piece for me because you just can create so much with these. And now here we're moving on to some more holographic nail sequences. They are so beautiful, they're fluorescent and they're just different shapes. And now we're moving on to some beautiful colored hearts as well. Here I have a 12 pack of stars and it was only $2.99. This is just an awesome steal. Everything here is under $10, I believe. Everything is very affordable and everything is just at a great price. Here I'm showing you guys a pack of 32 fine glitters, and I'm a glitter addict. I love glitter, so I'm always constantly purchasing glitters, stuff like that. I can never have enough of, and I love this one in particular because of the price, A, and B, the variety of colors. Cuticle right here is definitely one of my favorites right now, and it has real dried flowers inside and it's just so aesthetically beautiful, and on top of that it smells delicious. They have a variety of scents and I really love it. So yeah, I definitely wanted to share this with you guys. I have an LA Colors glittery polish that I got at Walmart, and I got it at Walmart for 92 cents, so I thought it was a great deal, and it's so pretty and it's so versatile. And then here I also got this one from Walmart. It's from LA Colors Mermaid Magic. I thought it was so beautiful, so I had to get it. I got it for $1.98 at Walmart, and I think it's so beautiful and I can't wait to recreate another mermaid look. Here I have the Sinful Colors Tricked Out Treats nail polish, and this one is Sour Apple Killer, and I love it because it's like a jelly type polish and it has little skulls inside, and I thought it was super cute for Halloween. So as you guys can see, here is what the polish looks like. And I also got the other color in Twisted Toffee, and it also has skulls inside, and I thought it was super pretty. Here I got a matte top coat, and this is from the brand BabeNail, and the reason why I got it was because of the price. It was only $2.99 and also it had pretty good reviews. So yeah, I am looking forward to trying this matte top coat, and I will definitely be letting you guys know how I feel about it. Here I have two cute little dappen dishes, and they were only $4.29 for two of them. I thought it was a good find. And now here I got my first pair of chrome powder. It just brings two black chrome powders, and you can put this over polish, regular polish or gel polish. So here's what they look like. I'm very excited to try this out. Also comes with two applicators. Here I got these foils, which I had to get because they were only $2.87, and it brings a pretty great amount and in a case. And as you guys can see, they're super cute. I ended up liking each of them. So here I'm just showing you guys very quickly what all of them look like. And I didn't even notice when I ordered it until I received it that it even has a little designer one, the LV one, which is so cute, and I'm so excited to create a nail tutorial with that one. I got some Halloween foils. It's for $4.99. You get 10 sheets, and I didn't have any. I actually had ordered some from Aliexpress a couple months ago, but I still have yet to receive them, so I just wanted to get some in hand. And here are the foils. They're super cute and they're Halloween themed. So here are some reflective flame nail art stickers, and they just come in different patterns. It brings 16 sheets for a great price, so I'm like, you know what, let me just order it and see what it's all about. And I'm really excited and looking forward to seeing what designs I come up with these. There's just so much that you can create. So yeah, here are the designs. Here I'm showing you guys some full cover nail tips. They are in clear, 100 pieces. I definitely love the quality of these because they were soft by the cuticle area and then very sturdy towards the bottom, which is exactly the way that I prefer my full cover nail tips. So it was definitely a great find. I have 100 pieces of stiletto nail tips. These are half cover false nail tips, and I've never had the half cover, so yeah, I just wanted to try them. They were cheap, so I'm like, you know what, let me try these out. So here I will show you how they look, and I will also show you how they're curved. I also found another pair of full cover nail tips, and this one brings 600 pieces or 500, I'm not really sure, I forgot, but I love how it comes in a case all numbered, and these are also a great find in my opinion. I really like them. I mean, for the price you can't go wrong. So yeah, I'm just really into finding affordable full cover nail tips now, or any type of nail tips. Just want to explore more into a different variety of brands. Thank you guys so much for watching this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Till next time.